friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time. And we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna draw and color a car step by step. Let's get started. First, draw 2 circles as the wheels. And then connect the circles. Then draw lines at the other sides of the wheels and start drawing the body of the car. Then draw a line to split the car into 2 and then draw the side mirror. After that, let's start draw the windows of the car. Then draw little rectangle as the handle. Another 2 small circles inside the wheels. Don't forget to draw the light at the front and the back of the car. Now it's done. Let's start to color. I choose blue as the color of my car. You can color with any color you like. And then start coloring. For the glass window, use very light blue color as the glass. Yellow as the front light and red at the back. I like to color my wheels black, like a real wheels. And the inside of the wheels will be gray. And don't forget the accent of the window glass to make it like there's light. And finally, the car is done. Do you like your car? Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.